2015 Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956 and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.